Hunen.
Stap achteruit.
See,
So let's see.
featherweight action, expect fast and furious here on Infusion Talents.
It's a featherweight, so let's see.
Round
Mana
one.
means business. Going straight forward. Ooh. Jess has to put his chin down. Both of them, basically. They're fighting with the chin up.
Yeah,
Nice kick to the body. Oh,
as you said, the heavy kickers. Khalid's gym. A bit tasty there.
the blue corner are saying, watch yourself and don't wait for him.
Nice left kick.
Right, good hook.
Heavy that
But
was. Really well caught. though, on
tight
the guard,
defense
though.
from Manan.
From Manan, yeah. Sharp.
The blue corner is saying, finish off with a kick.
Just having a look at it though, isn't he? He looks at a distance, keeping his hands a little bit too wide for me. There's a right hand left up. Just gonna watch that.
Manan is listening good to his corner, basically.
Yeah. Not wasting energy either. That
No, because he wanted to waste some energy, and the corner says to him in Moroccan language, just relax. And then, ooh!
we don't see that very often.
No. Quick reaction from Jess. Nice jab from Jess.
Good match this.
Yeah. Nice left hook.
Strong puncher.
Yeah.
Manan.
Like I said, Vinny, a lot of fights don't cut the corners
Yeah.
because
Got the
they
ring up.
all run circles.
And don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, this is Infusion Talent, so you're not going to see the highest level of talent that we have in the Infusion pool. Good push kick there, good timing. But you will see maybe a young up-and-coming new star. Last 30 seconds into this first round. Been a thoughtful
Nice.
fight, this.
Low kick from Jess.
Yeah,
Goes back and forward.
yeah. Heavy when you can hear that Tariq's
Yeah.
punches when he lets them
He
go.
has heavy punches. But he has to set him up. Ooh, missed him with the knee.
Nice push
Nice
kick.
kick from Manan.
Needs to move forward quicker, Tariq. We'll
Yeah.
see. Nice hook around the side. Good
Ooh,
shot there.
yeah, he
Wobbles
rocked
the
him.
legs.
He rocked him. He rocked him. He rocked.
The round. the
Oh,
bell has
saved
just
by the
gone.
bell.
And he sent his legs to space.
We were saying he has heavy punches.
Yeah, Tariq looks like he can loll it like.
And there he goes. Bang. Missed him a couple of times.
Yeah. It's just right at the end of the round, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Clip
Well,
with the left
there-
hook,
There he had him.
right
Second
hand.
one.
Swings and
That
another
one.
around the side.
Yeah, that one was spot on.
Yeah, discombobulation there, ladies and gentlemen.
Now he knows what happened. So
Let's see.
I think he's gonna step it up a minute.
Can't stand off him, Tariq, here because he'll get left kicked up to space here.
Let me
by
say
Jess.
this, he has a good corner because they said to him, just don't push too much. Just relax, let it happen. Let it happen.
Yeah.
So,
Good
nice
shot.
body shot. Nice again. This one's for the future, Vinny.
I like this kid. Yeah, he's
Yeah,
good.
yeah, yeah.
Only 22 years of age. 24. Oh, good shot,
Ooh,
though.
good shot.
And the
So,
commentator's cursed there.
indeed,
It really was.
indeed.
Because as soon as you say it,
Yeah.
he sent him right on the seat of his pants. Welcome to the club, Big Mo.
Indeed.
Let's see what happens
So,
here.
let's see. Someone's gonna get a clip. No, don't do that. Just go away.
Trying to be smart here. Jess. Tariq needs to calm himself down here. Pride, though, he's hurt.
Yeah,
More than physically.
That's a problem now.
Yeah.
The Moroccan anger is taking over.
Yeah, testosterone's, yeah.
We can't help that. So
The
it happens.
testosterone side, hasn't it? High kick whistles over the wig. Spinning back kick there
back
from
kick.
Tariq.
He needs to breathe. He needs.
Oh, this going of a ding dong here.
He has to take a breathe.
Pushing forwards, looks for the shot, tries a right uppercut, left hook misses, right hand over the top. Still anyone's fight, this.
No.
Really is.
No.
Good shot to the body. That hurt. Right over the top was dangerous. Referee's not letting that one go.
No, because Blue Corner was saying just take it, relax and breathe. But they forgot it was also Moroccans.
Yeah.
So he understands. He did understand what they were trying to say to him. So.
Edging forward all the time, Jess. Good shots. Showing class here. Let's go with a right hand and a left hook.
And there he goes. But nobody's going to the body anymore. It's just nice low kick from Jess and
looks defensively open here now, Tariq, as he tires also.
I think it's a mental thing. He didn't expect to get dropped.
Nice spinning back kick. Jumping knee just misses. This is where danger starts here.
Yeah.
As he starts swinging for the bleachers. Ends the second round. And a good round there for Jess. See, when you get to a certain age, though, when you're up there, there you go. Beautiful right hand, just clipped him, bent his knuckles over, and landed sweet on the chin. Boom, there you go.
Nice
I tell you what, he did well to get it up from that as well. Fair play to the kid. Bang, there you go. Chopped right down on the chin, spun the jaw, twisted and contorted the neck. And he still got up, the teeth tough, Tariq. And there he comes storming back with his own.
Win this round is the winner.
Yeah. Oh, he had a count though, hasn't he? So, Tariq. Depends how he looks at the final, the first round, because he got wobbled himself, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's see. Clipped.
Every time they miss each other.
No messing around at all. Body shots are nice.
Nice body shots now.
Spinning,
Nice
back,
spinning
kick.
back kick.
Showing confidence now. Jess.
Whoa. I would like to see fourth round finish.
So would I.
At this pace, so nice right hand from Menon. Jesse is going in his game now.
Moving around, kicking, keeping his lead, I believe.
He's getting more and more confidence.
Can't win this fight on the back foot, Tariq. Can't win it. Jesse's too cute. Good movement. Yeah, good kick up.
Yeah, but now Jesse's moving around, cutting the corners. You see, every inch when Tariq moves an inch, Jess moves
Good shots again, though.
Back, yeah.
Needs more of that. Needs to come forward, bite down his gum shield, and let the bombs away.
You see, the owners make turns. If they just cut the corner, it will be better for them.
Heavy left kick.
Needs to be up.
Just he's just kicking now and just moving, being smart here, Jess.
Being smart, yes.
Have to get involved in this. Tariq though has to get involved really, just let himself go.
Yeah, he doesn't know what to do anymore. So the corner is shouting, just go, whatever it takes. That was a nice body kick, punch.
Energy's going though, isn't it? I mean, it's been a high-paced
Ooh, that was a
fight.
good-
It was a good body shot, that.
Body shot from Jess.
Well conditioned, took it well over the top. Left kick, pushing him back now. Jess just using the ring smartly. Goes into the last 35 seconds or so of this third round.
Nice timed inside low kick from Hunen. And he's just fighting smart now.
Last 10 seconds. Over the top. Both tired. Swinging bombs. Still entertaining us here, ladies and gentlemen. Good old-fashioned ding-dong that was. Jess used his smarts, his lead as well. He was winning the fight and just protected it by moving, kicking, being smart. Tariq didn't have it in the engine to finish him off.
No.
And it was a good win, we believe, for Jess.
It's a good fighter for strawweight. So.
Very, very good. Here's our MC, the beautiful Samia, with the decision from the judge.
Hunen's looking disappointed, but
In the red corner, Jess van Hunen.